Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to accept friend request on tag. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open your tagged application. Tap on three horizontal lines on the top left corner. Click on Friends option. Tap on Requests on third column. And from here you can tap on right icon in order to accept friend request. So that is how you can easily accept friend request on tag. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment below your questions and feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.